Hello everyone. Let's dive into the Corsair 3000D RGB Airflow, a mid-tower case designed for optimal cooling and aesthetics. This case immediately impresses with its clean white finish and high airflow design. It comes pre-installed with 3 Corsair AR120 RGB fans, which not only provide excellent cooling, but also add a vibrant touch to your build. The 3000D RGB Airflow offers extreme cooling potential. It can house up to 8 120mm fans or 4 140mm fans, providing plenty of options for custom cooling configurations. For liquid cooling enthusiasts, it supports multiple radiators, including a 360mm radiator in the front and a 280mm radiator in the roof, depending on your RAM height. This flexibility ensures that you can keep even the most demanding components running cool. This mid-tower ATX case strikes a balance between size and functionality. It's spacious enough to accommodate high-end components while remaining compact enough to fit comfortably on or under your desk. The case features a 3-slot GPU support, catering to modern graphics cards. The Corsair 3000D RGB Airflow is built with ease of use in mind. It offers ample space for cable management, helping you achieve a clean and organized build. The tool-free design for drive installation and side panels simplifies the building process, making it accessible for both beginners and experienced builders. The front panel includes convenient USB ports and audio jacks, providing easy access to essential peripherals. The case is constructed from alloy steel, ensuring durability and longevity. The rear-mounted power supply design further optimizes space and airflow within the case. Overall, the Corsair 3000D RGB Airflow is a well-designed case that offers a blend of cooling performance, aesthetics, and ease of use. If you're looking for a mid-tower case that can handle high-end components and keep them running cool, the Corsair 3000D RGB Airflow is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.